Lesson 6. Real World. Lesson 7. Review. Elephant, elephant. Giraffe, giraffe. Hippo, hippo. Lion, lion. Monkey, monkey. Zebra, zebra. What animal is this? This is a hippo. This is a hippo. This is a giraffe. This is a giraffe. This is a monkey. This is a monkey. This is a lion. This is a lion. This is a zebra. This is a zebra. This is an elephant. This is an elephant. Colors, colors. Blue, blue. Yellow, yellow. Red, red. Pink, pink. Green, green. Purple, purple. Orange, orange. Brown, brown. Black, black. White, white. It's blue, it's blue. It's yellow, it's yellow. It's red, it's red. It's pink, it's pink. It's green, it's green. It's purple, it's purple. It's orange, it's orange. It's brown, it's brown. It's black, it's black. It's white, it's white. What color do you like? I like blue. I like blue. I like yellow. I like yellow. I like red. I like red. I like pink. I like pink. I like green. I like green. The zebra is black and white. The zebra is black and white. The lion is yellow and brown. The lion is yellow and brown. The hippo is gray. The hippo is gray. The giraffe is yellow and brown. The giraffe is yellow and brown. The monkey is brown. The monkey is brown. The elephant is gray. The elephant is gray.